When it comes to the Bible, there's a lot of things people don't know. One of those things is that people think that male and female, or man and woman, are very different. They're not. Every single man you see and every single woman you see, you guessed it, are both equally male and female. Male does not equal man, female does not equal woman. Every person you see has as much has as much male in them as they have female in them. A woman doesn't have more female than a man. She doesn't have more male than a man. A man doesn't have more male than a woman and doesn't have more female than a woman, energetically. And so, how do we know this though? We know this in the Bible when it says in the Tanakh, in the Torah, when it says Genesis 1:27, I have made you male and female in my likeness. Some translations say in my image. We're made in the image of God so that we can relate to Him, so we can understand Him, so we can relate to Him. Otherwise, how would we relate to Him? It's like a rock trying to relate to a cat. It's not possible. You have to make a cat or something very similar to a cat to relate to the cat. So we know right from wrong and so on and so forth. Now, just because you are a man right now doesn't mean that you're going to be a woman in your next life. You're always going to be the same sex physically. Because there's man and woman. And woman came from man. That's why they're the same, right? Because Adam was created as male and female. God took a rib from his soul, or took a part of his soul and created the woman out of him. And there you go. That's the origin of woman. So woman has her own soul, just like a man has his own soul. A part of the man's soul became the woman. She became his companion. Now, one of them is always going to be in a female body, one of them is always going to be in a male body, but both are equally male and female. So don't think that just because you're a man, you're more female or more male than another person, or you're a woman, you're more male or female than another person. No. But you're always going to be one of those, because there's an Adam for every Eve, there's Eve for every Adam. Your history even is different. So why would you switch? You know, if you were an Adam and from you Eve became, why would you become the Eve? You already have your perspective as Adam. And if you're an Eve right now, you came from the Adam. Adam is already taken. So you're always going to be the sex that you are right now, the gender that you are right now. Forever. That's the soul that continues. The soul is one. Everybody has one soul. Just like God is one, so are we. We don't have to worship with 5 different things. We worship God with all of our one soul. Every person does. And so there's different rules and roles for all the genders. There's different functions. A woman gets pregnant. A man does not get pregnant. A man carries the seed. The woman does not carry the seed. In terms of the male half of the, contribution toward the child. But really, they're very similar. They're very similar, and that's why people can be of any sexual, orientation. They really can be, because they have both energies within them. Anyways, I think I'm done with this video here. Hopefully you understand now.